Thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is Introduction to Built-in Accessibility Features of Windows 10 Interaction. Changing your device's accessibility features allows you to customize Windows 10 to match your unique needs and preferences. In this video, I will discuss how to locate your device's accessibility features in Settings, and then I'll provide a brief overview of the accessibility options for interaction. You'll start by locating the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this icon and it will bring up a menu. On the lower left side of the menu will be a variety of icons. Locate the one that looks like a small gear, labeled Settings. Click on this icon. Once in your settings, find the Ease of Access option. Click on this icon and it will open your accessibility settings. On the left-hand side will be a variety of tabs, divided into three main categories: Vision, Hearing, and Interaction. In this video, we will be discussing the third category, Interaction. It's divided into multiple subcategories. The first one we'll talk about is Speech. So I'll click on Speech with my mouse. And speech options will make your device easier to use if you have limited reach or strength. There are a few different options. One is to talk instead of type using dictation. The next is to dictate text and control of your device using only your voice, and that's through speech recognition, and that would be turned on and off by clicking this toggle button. The next category is Keyboard, and we'll click on Keyboard. And keyboard options make it easier to type and use keyboard shortcuts. So for this one, you can use your device without a physical keyboard. So if we click on the off button here, we turn on the on-screen keyboard. So now you'll see the keyboard up on your screen. So what's nice about this is that it has predictive text you'll see up here. So depending on what you type, it has a few options. So you're not required for most words to type out the entire word. So here I wanted hello. All right, to make that go away, we'll close it out by hitting the red X up in the corner on the right hand side. All right, and then this option is to use sticky keys, which is to use one key at a time for a keyboard shortcut. Toggle keys play sounds. There are filter keys and keyboard shortcuts. All right, moving on, we'll go to our mouse. And for these options, it makes it easier to see and control your mouse cursor. So this one allows you to control your mouse with a keypad. And that's the numeric keypad that's actually on your keyboard. So you could use those keys to move your mouse. And it has a variety of options here. We're going to turn that back off. All right. And if you click here on this text, you'll see it says Change Other Mouse Options. And here you're able to change a lot more features of your mouse. The primary button, how fast the cursor speed is, using your roller wheel when you scroll, and you're able to change a variety of options here. Now to return to our previous screen, I'm going to go back up here to the left hand corner and I'll click the back arrow. And that takes me back to our primary settings screen for ease of access. I'll scroll down. So after mouse, our final category is eye control. And eye control lets you use eye tracking technology to control the mouse or to type using an on-screen keyboard or communicate with people using text-to-speech. For this particular accessibility option, you would need to have a supported eye tracking device attached to your existing device. So, this has been a brief overview of the Windows 10 accessibility features for interaction. To return to our main screen, I'm going to come up here to the right-hand corner and close by clicking on the X. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.